What is going on? Welcome back to the Mojito Jeep Garage. For those of you that are new subscribers, we've been getting a lot of you lately. Myself and my wife Kim, we've been documenting basically all the mods, everything we've been doing to the Mojito Jeep as we do them, and bringing you how-tos and showing you how to do different things to it. Today we've got a new project. Our friends from AM Off-Road have sent us one of their new custom, I never do good backwards like this, one of the new custom JL grills. So we're gonna show you how it fits, how to put it on, show you a little something different. I know there's a lot of you out there that are diehard 7-slot grill people. Some people love the angry grills or something a little bit more unique. So stay tuned to see what we've got coming for you. I know this may not be for everyone, but we're gonna try out this new grill, see how it fits, see how we like it, and we'll wanna know your opinion when it's all done, what you think. For those of you that have seen our previous videos, you've seen us show you how to take out or remove the factory grill. It's super easy. You just got some push pins along the top of the grill, and then it just kind of pops out. For me, because we already have the Diodynamics light bar in here, I do have a little bit more work ahead of me because I do need to remove the bracket. It's a little tight here in between, so there's not enough room to pop the grill out of the clips and get it out. That's what I gotta do first. I'm not gonna make you watch that. You've seen me install it already, and you've seen us remove the grill. So I'm gonna get to it real quick, get into it, and I'll come back when I'm ready to pop this grill out. Okay, so I was actually able to sneak the stock grill out without removing the Diodynamics light bar, so I got lucky there. I hope that I'll be able to get the new one in without pulling those. I'm gonna try to cheat it. Let's see what happens. But first thing I need to do is get the new grill ready. It came with a bunch of new clips that I need to go ahead and put on the new grill. So I'm gonna do that and get it prepped and ready to go in. Then I'll probably grab Kim and have her help me put this grill back in. So let me get these clips on. So these clips are super simple. They just kind of press over the tabs. And there's 8 of them along the bottom of the grill. I'll just press those on real quick. All right, and then we're literally ready to just go ahead and pop it back in. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a towel and just kind of drape it over the light bars here so that as I slide the new grill in, it's not gonna scratch it up or cause any damage to it. For now, I'm leaving the grill black as it came, and then we may decide to paint it green later on, but for now, we're gonna put it on black. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can get it in here without grabbing Kim. And it looks like it's dropping in pretty good. Although I got a little further to go, and because of the way that this is a little more aggressive and sticks out, it's actually catching the light bar already here. So, I may need another hand, although it's getting close. So this was a super easy install. This probably would have taken about 10 minutes to do had I not had the light bars on here. It made it a little bit more challenging to get the old one out and get the new one back in. Especially with, if you can tell here, this new grill kind of bows out here a little bit, so it's a little tighter in here. Now that it's in place, I do still have a gap between my light bar and the grill, but it was tight getting it in there. You can see I've got my red glowing lights in there, which makes it actually look kind of cool. Fitment was pretty good. Like I said, the only issues I actually had were all relating to having the light bar in the way. So it made it a little tougher for me to get the the clips to line up to the factory holes. And then AM Off-Road supplied new clips for along the top, as well as a rubber gasket that just sticks on top there. So that's it. She's all done. I'll get you some better glamour shots so you can get some better angles of it, see what you think. Also, we want to know, should we paint the whole thing green like our factory grill, or should we just do a custom accent with the green and leave the actual shark teeth in the middle black, which I've seen from AM Off-Road. I actually saw they had a white one that they did that way. I'll try to put a picture up here somewhere so you can see what that one looks like. But I want you guys to weigh in, chime in, let us know what you think. Stock grill, this grill like it is blacked out, or should we paint this one green and do some accents, or fully green? Those are your 4 options. Let us know what you think. I did want to mention real quick too, that this is the way that it came straight out of the box. The finish here, it's kind of a matte black finish, but you could definitely tell it could benefit from doing some paint on it, or at least a clear coat, something to make it more of a smooth finish on it. Overall, the fitment and quality of the grill were pretty good. Fits pretty good, looks pretty nice on there, and gives it definitely a more unique, customized look. You certainly won't see this grill on a Jeep every day. So if you're looking for something unique, something different, definitely check out AM Off-Road. They do have this one, and they do have one of the more angry grills. Not sure that that's what they call it, but this one's considered the Shark JL grill. Something I think that's even more unique than the angry looking ones. I'll put the link in our description below so you can check out what they've got available for the JL Wranglers. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We always like hearing from you guys, letting us know what you think of our different mods here. So thanks again.